ATP is your body's energy spark. Every time a tiny bond in an ATP molecule snaps, it releases a burst of energy, sort of like how you scream when you stub your toe. Those little screams power everything, from lifting a dumbbell to solving a maths problem to keeping your heart beating. Every thought, flex and function runs on ATP breaking apart. Now enter creatine, your ATP recycling system. When ATP breaks, part of the molecule gets used up. Creatine grabs that missing piece, restores it, and turns it back into usable ATP, ready to fire again. So instead of running out of energy, your cells keep reloading. And that's not all. Creatine also signals your muscles to repair and rebuild, helping you recover faster and grow stronger after exercise or physical stress. More ATP, better recovery, sharper thinking.